If you've got an MX-5 RF, this is probably something you don't think about, but it can actually save you from any squeaks, rattles, and even leaks. All around the car, whether it's under the bonnet, doors, roof, and boot area, there are lots of rubber seals. Over time, they dry out and become hard, especially in the UK with all the weather changes. When they start to dry out, that's when you get things like creaking roofs, or the car not sealing properly, and long term they can actually wear out quicker. So what I use is this, it's called Gummy Fledge, well I think that's how you pronounce it. It's basically just a rubber conditioner that keeps everything soft and protected. One thing that makes this easier on the RF is that you can actually stop the roof from opening halfway. This gives you access to all of the seals that you normally can't reach. If you've got an MX-5 RF, or any car really, I would highly recommend that you do this often. It's simple, but it makes a big difference over time. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe for more MX-5 content, and I'll see you all in the next one.